Do you want to know how you can sign in to your Sololearn account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basic. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign in or log into your Sololearn account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and open any browser and go to sololearn.com. You can see the login option on the right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now there are some ways from which you can log in. You can use your Google account, your Apple ID, or your Facebook account as well. So you must make sure that you have connected your social accounts with your account on Sololearn, and then you can log in using these accounts as well. Otherwise, you can write down your email address, your password, and hit the login button. I'm going to teach you by logging into my Google account. I'll just go ahead and click Google and select my Google account with which I opened my account on Sololearn. In a while, you can notice that I have successfully signed in to Sololearn. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.